Globe showing Europe-Africa top world news headlines today, May 16, 2026. Newspaper Ukraine-Russia war intensifies. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy said Ukraine is preparing retaliatory strikes after deadly Russian missile attacks on Kyiv killed dozens of civilians. The Guardian. Newspaper Trump-Xi summit dominates global attention. Donald Trump and Xi Jinping concluded high-level talks in Beijing, focusing on trade tensions, Iran, and global security issues. The Sunday Guardian +1. Newspaper Middle East ceasefire talks continue. Israel and Lebanon agreed to extend ceasefire discussions as tensions remain high across the region following recent military strikes. Al Jazeera. Newspaper Iran nuclear deal discussions resume. The United States signaled readiness for a new agreement with Iran if Tehran limits its nuclear program for the next 2 decades. YouTube. Newspaper Global oil markets under pressure. Fuel prices rose worldwide after geopolitical tensions in the Middle East increased fears of supply disruptions. Al Jazeera +1. Newspaper UK political crisis deepens. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer faces growing pressure amid leadership challenges inside the Labour Party. The Guardian +1. Newspaper Palestinians mark Nakba anniversary. Large demonstrations and remembrance events were held across Gaza and the West Bank marking 78 years since the Nakba. Al Jazeera. Newspaper Latvia begins new government talks. Political uncertainty increased in Latvia after the resignation of the Prime Minister following regional security concerns. The Guardian. Newspaper Sports Spotlight, FA Cup Final Weekend. Football fans worldwide are focused on the FA Cup final between Manchester City and Chelsea at Wembley Stadium. The Guardian. Newspaper Oil pipeline expansion in UAE. The United Arab Emirates announced plans to accelerate a major oil pipeline project to bypass the Strait of Hormuz. Al Jazeera.